Hello everyone, welcome to Rainbow Fingers Art. Today let's draw a crocodile using these colors. Now let us draw the crocodile's body. Now comes the teeth, the eyes, the legs, and finally let us draw its tail. Now we'll draw its belly. Now let us draw some rocks and grasses. Now let us draw the sun and the clouds. Come on, let's start coloring. First, I am coloring the sun using yellow color. I am also covering the belly portion using yellow. Let us color the crocodile using green color. Now let us color the clouds using blue color. Now I am coloring the grasses. I am using dark green color to outline the grasses as well as the crocodile. Let us color the stones. I am using brown color for the same. finally, I'm using orange and red color to color the flower. And it's done. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more drawing videos. See you tomorrow with another video. Bye bye.